Hello and welcome. If you are looking for a basic game level design tutorial, this is the place to be. The game you are watching now is the game we will work with. It's a great old classic Quake 2, and I'll try to show you how to make a map for this game. Why Quake 2? Because it's simple and it's small and it's free. Demo version is free and that's all we need really. Yes, and it's open sourced, so if you want to learn how to make a map for this game, that's what we're gonna do. But if you decide to learn more, if you want to learn how the game itself is built, you may learn this as well. With other game engines you may learn how to make a map. With this one you may learn how to make an engine as well. So that's why. All you're gonna need is a computer with some Windows on it. It can be an old computer, some crappy one, and the version of Windows doesn't matter really. It can be XP, it can be Vista 7, 8, 10, whatever. Everything should work. Well, this game is simple, so it doesn't need much. One thing that is necessary, it's a mouse. If you want to work on a laptop with a touchpad, it's not gonna work for you. You need a mouse with a mouse pad. You're gonna need a precision, so mouse doesn't have to be expensive, but the mouse pad has to be clean and proper. And obviously some internet connection from time to time at least. Now you're not gonna learn everything you need in 20 minutes. It's a process that will take a lot of time. So, and to make map like this one, it's a lot of work. So don't expect that you're gonna learn how to make similar map in few sessions. Not really, but I'm gonna try to show you what's what. And if you are into game design, this can be very useful for you just to get a grip on the idea of making a game. So if you are ready, pen drive. Yeah, one thing you may need, it's a pen drive. We're gonna work with files, so we will put some files directly on a drive. If you have a second drive, second partition, that's okay, but for your own safety it's good to have a pen drive. 2 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes should be enough. I have 8 gigabytes, it's more than enough. And I'm gonna put all my files on a pen drive. You should do this as well. So without further ado, let's get to work. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some folders we're gonna work with. So I have my pen drive named 8 gigabytes Quake 2, and I'm gonna create a folder downloads, then compile, okay, and then Quake 2. Here I'm gonna have in my game, here I'm gonna have compile tools, and here I'm gonna download everything from the internet. So Quark, SourceForge.net, I will put all links in the description. Here we have to click on a download page, and we're gonna take version 6.6 beta 6 very 6. Click here. and it goes to my folder Downloads. It's done. Now I'm gonna go back and back to the same page we've started, and on the left side we have Game Tools. This is something we need to download as well. I'm scrolling down, and from the section Quake 2 we're gonna need everything, just to be sure. Oh, no, doesn't work. Another one. Yep, but this stuff I'm gonna download to the folder Compile. All of it. Okay, it's done. Now we need a game. Quake 2 demo. So we're gonna get this game from File Planet, download and download, and I'm gonna put this to the folder Downloads. Okay, now I need an update for Quake 2. Quake 2 update, and we can get from the same place File Planet, download and download. It's ready. Now finally I need a Quake 2 3.24, an official patch that will fix some problems with resolution, and I'm gonna get okay, it's done. And if you don't have it, you may download one more thing. It's a tool for dealing with zip files, with archives. 7-zip, very useful. It's free and open source, so okay, all tools we need are in the place, so we can start installation. We're gonna start from 7-zip. This is very useful tool, so we're gonna use it. Now Quark Army Knife, next, accept. It's an open project, so it's for free, and finish. Some readme. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's the window we are interested in, and this icon opens new map. Ta-da! It works, but for now I'm gonna close it, and we need few more things. Now we're gonna install demo version of this game, of Quake 2. Let's go. Now carefully, here the game asks where to unzip the files, but it's an old game, so it tries to unzip files into Windows folder. We're not gonna do this. We're gonna change it for Q2 demo. Okay, yes. Now install next, yes. Here carefully we want to change directory, change, and we want to put everything on E, because this is my drive, in a folder Quake 2 that I've made before. Okay, install. Okay, it's ready. Finish. Now we have to update this game, so we need to run Q2 3.20. Okay, let's go. And system will ask where to unzip the files. We need to change a drive letter to E in this example. Okay, it's fine. Now close. And the last step, we need an official update that will fix some problems with screen resolution. So I have to open the zip file with Q2 3.24, mark all those files, copy, then go to our Quake 2 folder, and here paste. If system will ask for permission to change existing files, click yes. Okay, it's ready. Now go up and folder compile. When I've downloaded all the files from Quark page, all tools for Quake 2, I will mark them all and unzip here. Change name automatically. Yeah, some files may have the same name, but we want all of them because these are the different versions. Okay, now it's a mess, but we will remove all zip files. Now it's gonna look a bit better. So that's for now. Installation is done. We have to find out if it works. Quake 2, Quake 2. Well, it works more or less. Escape, video, and video mode okay, more reasonable. Apply changes. In a menu we have to move with arrows on a keyboard. Well, it's an old game. Now in options there is mouse acceleration should be no, always run yes, look spring no, free look yes, and that's it. Okay, let's see if our editor works well. New map, and now we need to make some configuration. Options, configuration. On the left side, update and switch off everything, just not to be bothered with updates. Now let's mark Quake 2, and well, yes, I already have Quake 2 here, but if it looks differently on your computer, you have to click on the right side and find the place where is your Quake 2 folder and mark the folder and click OK. Then we need some compile tools. Now click on the right side and on Quake 2 in compile I need to look for TXQBSP. Is there anything like so? TXQBSP, yes, it's here. Open. Now we need something that is called TeamVis3. TeamVis3, it's here. open. And now we need something that is called Argrad. Okay, it's here. We have 1, 2, 3 different versions of it. That's nice. Looking at the age, this is the newest. Let's check this out. Open. Apply. Okay. This is the layout of editor when it starts. The layout can be changed on the left side here with a layout like so, like so. I'm gonna use a classic layout where I can see a map as a wireframe from the top. I'm looking here from above, and here from the right side. When I click on this wall, this is the right side wall, right? When I click here, this is the roof. Okay, and this is our map, and we have to find out if we can run this map in Quake. So let's click Quake 2 and choose fastest full bright. So this will build this map in the fastest way possible without special lighting. Yep, it works. I can move forward, backward. It all looks fine. Now let's go out. It may happen to you that you will be missing a file called color map PCX. So what you will have to do is go to the internet and type Quake 2 color map, and let's see here, Quake 2.com. Okay, and here we have some tools, and here we have color map zip. Here is missing files. It happens from time to time. Let's click on this and let's download this file. Okay, it's here. I open the zip file, and this is the color map PCX. Copy and go to Quake 2 folder, base Q folder, and here create a folder named Pix and paste. Again, Quake 2, base Q, Pix, and this file has to be inside. So if there is a problem, if there is a missing file, this is the file you may need. Okay, so it seems that after this boring and tedious process, we have a working game and a working editor. Simple thing, layout can be changed like so. Which one is best for you? You have to decide. 3D view is available as well, so we can see this is my eye. I can put this eye inside and see around and move with arrows when my cursor is on the area of the 3D view, and so on. It's a bit cumbersome, but you may use it. I'm gonna use the classic layout, and the mouse is needed mostly for zooming in and zooming out. I have to press left and right mouse button together, and then I can zoom in and zoom out. Well, it doesn't work with a scroll on the mouse, unfortunately. It's a bit weird, but well, that's the way it is. It's for free, so we cannot argue with that. Now, for this tutorial, I think it's enough. If you want to learn more, well, you have to visit the page of Quark Army Knife. And go down for map tutorial. Starting map editor, and you should read all this stuff, because this is a great tutorial with pictures in a written form, and it explains what's what. So for now you can read and play with your installation of Quark editor, and I will see you next time.
The days they come